Hi guys, this is video number 2. So I'm actually in this position right now because I want to show you what I was talking about in the last video. And actually I was wrong. You actually need it all the way down, and I said up for the transformation, or excuse me, I said down for the transformation. It's opposite of what I said. I like mine completely down, so then it gives it a little bit more of a thing. But in car mode, you actually have to have that piece all the way up, not down. If you have it down, this is what it looks like. And you'll notice that when I close this part down on it, you will notice that this part cannot be in the position like that. So that's the down part. So if you notice, here's click number 1. That's the loose part. And you see it still doesn't quite line up. If you do it one more click, look, now it lines up. So now when you close this up and you close this piece up on it and you get all those tabs right there, all correct and everything else, now the figure is correct. However, this is what I was talking about in vehicle mode. This is what everybody believes is the full vehicle mode. And it looks nice and it rolls well. It does. Let me fix this part up first here. Okay, now with all this fixed and everything else, and again, like I say, we have all those parts fixed and all the tabs are in and everything else. And yes, it rolls really nice and it looks really nice. And you got all the pieces and everything else right. But here's the thing, guys. You see how this kind of goes up in the back there like that? Well, there's a reason why that is. And the reason why that is because these wheels in the back actually they can transform as well. If you take the back here, if you take this wheel and just swing it up and in, guess what? You've not only moved the position, see how this one's lower than this one, but you've also moved the position this way. So if you look at the two tires, we now have this one in the right position. You see that? See how it's like that? This one is actually down more. So again, watch how I do this. If you flip it in the back here, you will notice that it has a point where it actually flips up like that. Now I've got it in the right position. So now when I put this figure down all the way, I'll put it down the same way we had it. Now when I put it down, see how it's nice and level? Now it's in the position that it should be. So again, if I take this one and I click it down like that, you see how it clicked? Now it's in the position that everybody usually keeps it in. See the difference? Look at the space. I can almost fit my finger in there. Look at the correct one. Can't even fit my finger in there.
Same for me.
Big difference. Big difference.
Big
difference. That is how you transform the figure correctly.
So